You just walked into a room, and you have absolutely no idea why you're there. You forgot the name of someone you've known for 20 years. You read the same paragraph 3 times and still nothing stuck. So now you're wondering, is this just normal aging? Or is something seriously wrong with my brain? Today, I'm going to give you an honest answer. No sugarcoating, no scare tactics, just the truth, backed by science, about what's actually happening inside your brain after 60, what's completely normal, what's a warning sign you cannot ignore, and the simple daily habits that have been proven to slow, and in some cases even reverse, cognitive decline. Stay with me, because what I share at the 5-minute mark could literally change the trajectory of your brain health. Let's get into it. The brain after 60. What's actually happening? Let me start by telling you something your doctor probably never sat down and fully explained. After the age of 60, your brain naturally begins to shrink. In fact, the brain loses roughly 5% of its volume per decade after 40, and that rate picks up after 60. The hippocampus, that's the part of your brain responsible for forming new memories, is one of the first regions to be affected. On top of that, the communication between your brain cells slows down. The myelin sheath, think of it like the insulation around an electrical wire, starts to break down. So signals that used to travel instantly now take a little longer. This is why you sometimes feel like a word is on the tip of your tongue but won't come out. This is why multitasking gets harder. This is why you might forget where you put your glasses. But you never forgot your grandson's birthday. That pattern matters, and I'll come back to it in a moment. Normal memory loss versus early dementia. This is the most important distinction in this video. There is a massive difference between age-related memory changes and the early signs of Alzheimer's or dementia, and most people, and honestly, some doctors, blur this line. Let me give you a clear comparison. Normal aging memory. Occasionally forgetting names but remembering them later. Misplacing your keys or glasses. Forgetting what you were about to do in another room, needing more time to learn new technology. Occasionally losing track of the day or date, but remembering it later. Warning signs that are not normal. Forgetting major life events, like your child's wedding or a recent surgery. Getting lost in familiar places. Your own neighborhood, your regular grocery store. Repeating the same question or the same story within minutes. Serious personality changes. Increased paranoia, aggression, or depression. Difficulty with basic daily tasks that used to be effortless, managing bills, cooking, driving. If you or someone you love is showing those second set of signs, please see a doctor, not next month, soon. But if your situation sounds more like the first list, then what you're dealing with is likely age-associated memory impairment, which is a medical term for normal aging, not disease. And the great news is, you have real power to influence that. Now here's where it gets really interesting, and I promised you this at the start. There are 5 specific habits that neuroscientists now know can actually stimulate new brain cell growth, even after 60. Not just slow the decline. Grow new cells. It's called neuroplasticity, and your brain is capable of it right now. Let me walk you through exactly what those habits are. Why it happens. The root causes. Before we talk solutions, let's understand the real enemies of your brain after 60, because if you know what's attacking you, you can stop it. 1. Chronic inflammation. This is the silent killer of brain cells. When your body stays in a constant state of low-grade inflammation, from poor diet, stress, lack of sleep, or even gum disease, it creates a toxic environment in your brain. Research now links chronic inflammation directly to Alzheimer's risk. 2. Poor sleep. While you sleep, Your brain activates a waste removal system called the glymphatic system. It literally flushes out toxic proteins, including beta amyloid, the protein that builds up in Alzheimer's patients. When you don't sleep enough, that garbage doesn't get cleared. It builds up, night after night. 3. Insulin resistance. Your brain runs on glucose, but when insulin resistance develops, which is extremely common after 60, your brain cells struggle to absorb that fuel. Some researchers now call Alzheimer's type 3 diabetes because of this direct link between blood sugar dysregulation and cognitive decline. 4. Social isolation. This one surprises most people, but study after study, including a major Harvard longitudinal study, found that loneliness accelerates cognitive decline faster than almost any other factor. Your brain needs stimulation. It needs connection. Without it, it literally starts to shrink faster. 5. Chronic stress. The stress hormone cortisol, when chronically elevated, directly damages the hippocampus, the memory center of your brain. Stress literally eats your memory. This is not a metaphor. It is biology. 5 habits to protect and rebuild your brain. Science-backed solutions. Habit 1. Move your body. Every single day. Aerobic exercise is the single most powerful brain-protecting tool available to you. A 30-minute walk, just a walk, increases production of BDNF, which stands for brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Think of BDNF as fertilizer for your brain cells. It literally grows new neurons. Aim for 30 minutes of brisk walking 5 days a week. This is non-negotiable. Habit 2. Eat for your brain, not just your waistline. The MIND diet, a combination of the Mediterranean and DASH diets, has been shown in clinical trials to reduce Alzheimer's risk by up to 53%. The focus: leafy greens every day, berries at least twice a week, olive oil, fish twice a week, nuts daily, and limiting red meat, butter, cheese, and fried food. Not perfection, just consistent improvement. Habit 3. Prioritize deep sleep. 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep is not a luxury. It is brain maintenance. Stop the late-night screens. Keep your bedroom cool and dark. Consider that if you're waking up multiple times a night or snoring loudly, you may have sleep apnea, which is directly linked to increased dementia risk. Get it checked. Habit 4. Challenge your brain daily. Your brain follows the use it or lose it principle. Learn something new every week: a new language, a musical instrument, a card game, puzzles, reading. The research is clear. People with higher levels of cognitive reserve, mental activity throughout life, show dramatically less cognitive decline even when their brain shows physical signs of Alzheimer's. Habit 5. Stay socially connected. Call someone, join a group, volunteer, attend church, have dinner with family. Social engagement is one of the strongest predictors of cognitive health in old age. If you live alone or feel isolated, this is something you must actively fight. Your brain depends on human connection. So let's recap what we covered today. Normal aging memory versus early signs of dementia are very different things. The root causes: inflammation, poor sleep, insulin resistance, isolation, and chronic stress. And the 5 daily habits that protect and rebuild your brain: exercise, the MIND diet, deep sleep, mental challenge, and social connection. Now I want to hear from you. In the comments right now, type the word brain. If you're going to commit to at least one of these habits this week, just type brain. It takes 2 seconds, and it tells me this video actually reached you. And if you want my free brain health checklist, a 1-page printable guide that walks you through everything I just shared, type free in the comments and I'll send it to you directly. If this video helped you, share it with someone you love who's over 60, because this information could genuinely change their life. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of that brain. It's the only one you've got. The one you've told.